Alright guys, so here we have a unboxing from Ron Tremper at leopardgecko.com. This only took 6.5 years to finally get something from Ron over here. But these are 3-month-old. Let's change this for the albinos. 3-month-old super giant Tremper patties, and they are huge. So this is the male. I'm going to go ahead and put him in his tub. And this one, this is the female. I'm going to take this off so you can see her a little better. Yeah, 3 months, super big. Go ahead and put her in her tub. So, with this project, we're gonna get some relatively huge animals, try to get some more carrot tail. I see that on the female, she has quite a bit of carrot tail. It's spreading almost halfway down the tail. That's really nice. And the male, he's got a little bit, not bad. Definitely more than I was expecting with this project, but I'm always open to surprises. So thank you so much, Ron. I'm glad to finally have something from you. And stay tuned for updates, guys.